Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. This is an easier way on how to sew invisible zip without your zipper foot. I said without your zipper foot. It's very simple, easy to do. You can see how beautiful the outcome is, looking so amazing. I'm gonna give you the tips and the tricks that you need in the easy way, in the easiest way. Let's get started. So working on the shoulder, you can see this is how the zip is supposed to fall when you join the shoulder. So we're going to work on the wrong side. See how I'll turn it. So when I open it, this is the part that we are going to sew. So when turn it like this is how it's going to be. So let me take my zipper. When you open the teeth of the zipper, we are working on the wrong side. When you open it, you will see a line there. So we're going to sew through the line. So you can't see the line. You just have to take your pen and trace that line so that you see it well. So when I open it, you're going to see that there's a line there. That's the line that we're going to sew through it. You're going to sew through that line. So you're going to fold the mouth. You will see that there's a stopper there. That's a stopper. You just have to fold it inward like that. You can make top stitch to hold it down first. You can pin it to hold it down. So when you place your zip, like the way I did, you just have to open it. Then you sew through that line. As you can see, I'm walking through that line. No curve, no burn. That's why I say you can use a pen to trace the line so that you see it well. If you think that you can see it well, you just have to sew through that line. Whilst you are sewing, you just have to open the teeth. Then you walk through the line. Just have to let the foot step on the teeth. Then you hold it gently and you take your time. So you see the outcome. Very simple. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. But there's a trick also you're supposed to know. So this is how it's supposed to be. So you're going to open it. You put the other shoulder there. Then you turn it like this. Have you seen? You turn it like this. Exactly, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on the notification bell. It is what it is. Please subscribe. Your subscribe motivates me to pull out more videos, to pull out tutorial for you guys. So we're gonna do the same thing as we did the other part. We're gonna open the teeth, then we sew through the line. Like I said, you can use your pen and trace the line up for you to see it very well. And you can pin it to hold it down. Take your time, don't rush. You have to let the foot, this one is a big foot. We are not using a zipper foot, so this one is a big foot. So we just have to let the other teeth step on the other foot side, step on the teeth. Then you sew through the line. You take the time. Whilst you are sewing, you are opening the teeth and we're sewing through the line. That is why I zoom it closer for you to see it very well. I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays. If I couldn't post it on Sunday, I would definitely post it on Monday. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. And click on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you will be updated. So you can see the outcome. Very simple, very easy. We are not done yet. There's a last part we have to work on it, and I have to join the other shoulder. Then we work on the last part. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. You're subscribing, it motivates me. So please, if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think. Mora FC. is for you all guys, for everybody. So support the team. We keep on moving, we keep on bringing you the best, and the best of the best. It is what it is. So you can see I just joined the other shoulder. This is how it is. So we are working on the last part. This is the last part that we're gonna do. At the opening side, you can top stitch there with your machine. You can top stitch there with your machine, or you can use your needle and your thread to hold it down. I normally like this way, just use my needle and a thread just to do some hand stitch over there to hold the tips, just like that. Simple. You can just use your machine and just top stitch there, just a small one. Just top stitch. I don't want my thread to be shown, that's why I always prefer using my hand to do some hand stitching over there to hold it down. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Comment and tell me what you think. We are done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Shalom, peace to everybody.